Hi, this is INFINIX Smart 7 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that we just should open the app, so tap the open button, click enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, tap twice to OK, and go back. Click the switch input method, switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new look of our keyboard. Now we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.